So we're here at the Picapa 1075 Sampaloc, Manila. Let's go! So now we're here inside the study hall and you can see here the powder room where you can freshen up.
And then here you will see the front bar, which is the main point where bartenders prepare and serve drinks directly to guests.
Tequila sunrise. Amaretto sour.
The tables are arranged to provide both functionality and style, designed for either individuals, couples, or groups. The chairs are chosen not just for sitting, but to give comfort that encourage guests to stay longer and enjoy their time.
Looking for a spot in Spanya with everything? Study hall has cocktails for just 220 pesos, shots from 130, and beers as low as 105. Coffee lovers, try their peanut butter latte, ube cheese, or classic brews starting at 120. Hungry? Grab pika-pika like fries and cheese sticks or rice bowls like musubi, tocino, and beef salpicao. At para hindi ninyo ma-miss ang kanilang upcoming events and promos, you can check their Instagram and TikTok accounts at Study Hall.
So dito, order kami ng tatlong cocktails, tequila sunrise, amaretto sour, and substandard margarita.
To start po, may we know your name and how long you've been working as a bartender?
Ako po pala si Chin Legaspi. Nag-start na mag-bartender 2024.
So what do you enjoy most about being a bartender?
Ah, two.
What do you enjoy most about being a bartender?
Sa pagiging bartender, pag-mix ng drinks na tulad nito, tapos sa customer, being nagbibigay ng saya sa customer. Yun.
From your perspective, what are the top three must-have qualities of a bartender and why are they important?
Sa pagbabartender, kailangan mo ng tatlo. Una, ang pagmimix. Tapos yung pangalawa, kailangan mo makipag-communicate sa customer.
Can you share with us your most unforgettable experience while working as a bartender?
Experience
Yes.
sa bartender. Ang na-experience ko sa bartender, since lahat naman ng bar is lahat is standard. Lahat kailangan mo sundin yung kung ano yung rules nila sa bartender. Tapos kailangan lagi malinis sa bar area. And yun lang.
For those who aspire to become a bartenders in the future, what advice or tips can you give them?
Tips para sa gusto maging bartender. Sa gusto mo maging bartender, una, pag-aralan mo na ng maigi. Kasi mahirap pag hindi mo napag-aralan ng maigi. Pangalawa, syempre, kailangan mo rin ng happy, ano yun? Ano ba sa English yung ano? Yung sa customer? Yun. Customer service. Then, kailangan yung isi-serve mo na drinks na quality sa customer.
Can you also share the recipe of the cocktail po?
Sige ma. Sa tequila sunrise natin, ma'am, ang pinaka-base na alak niyan is tequila. And yung tequila po natin is 60 ml of tequila. And orange, ma'am, is 180 ml. And 15 ml po yung adrenaline. Tapos yung garnish po niyan, cherry and orange po. Tapos sa amaretto naman po, amaretto sour na 60 ml. Then yung lime syrup na 30 ml. And simple syrup is 15 ml. Ang ano naman yan, ma'am, 15 seconds to 10 seconds lang po yung shake. Tapos yung garnish po ni amaretto sour is cherry lang po. Tapos dito naman po sa margarita natin, hindi po kayo siya standard. Ang standard po talaga yung standard na margarita glass. Sa margarita po natin, ang base na alak, tequila, 60 ml. And yung triple sec, 30 ml. Tapos sa lime, 60 ml. Tapos simple syrup, 50 ml po.
Ano po yung pinaka-favorite nyong ginagawa na cocktail?
Si amaretto po.
Can you give us a brief background lang po?
Si amaretto sour po, di siya yung matapang na alak. May, ano ba to? Kalimutan ko tuloy, nasabi ko na kanina. Si amaretto, di siya yung matapang, pero masarap na saktong-sakto sa panglasa ng customer.
Okay po, thank you po.